Pwede,
Sige,
let's
sige.
go.
Okay. So, ibibigay ko na sa iyo yung yung screen natin, ano. So, this time, ayan, no. Asa yun ang screen.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
This is really cool.
All right. Good evening.
Ayan, good evening. Good evening to
So,
everyone.
good evening, people. Yeah, good evening to everyone. Clear ba yung boses ko dyan? Medyo lagi tayo nagwe-webinar ng ulan eh.
By the way, if you have any questions, you can use the chat box kung may mga question kayo. So, we will answer it after the presentation. Sige, go ahead, paring Gerson.
Yes, yes. Yes, thank you for the wonderful introduction, Mr. Pogi Edison.
Okay.
Yung katawan natin dati, Brad, yung tipong merong 8 packs.
8 packs. Ang alam ko, 6 packs lang.
8 packs.
8 packs na ngayon, ha?
6 packs lang pala, 6 packs. Merong dalawang nakatago para pag nawala yung dalawa, may reserve pa.
Mm.
So, yeah, actually, si Edison, tsaka ako dati is more of addicted to gaining muscle naman and then losing weight. Ilan ba yung babae dyan, Brad? Tsaka yung lalaki sa audience? More or less, siguro major ngayon is mga babae, no? Hello.
Go ahead. Tuloy mo lang, man.
Yeah. So, naglalag tayo. So, actually, this topic is more about not just to shed off your fats, but also, ito yung tinatawag ngayon na business trends sa internet or sa offline, na more and more people are getting fatter and fatter and fatter kahit anong kakainin nila. Kasi hindi lang ngayon gadgets ngayon yung nagiging modern, pati yung mga food ngayon nagiging modern na rin. Sobrang sarap. Di ba, Ed?
Yes,
So,
oo.
yung craving natin ngayon sa food, medyo nagiging habit na rin natin. Especially sa internet, nakikita na natin kung saan na pwedeng bumili ng mga pagkain na masasarap. May mga group buying site na ngayon na pwede ka nang kumain sa kahit anong masasarap na restaurant, na mura na. So, hindi natin mapipigilan yung habit of taking more and more food na hindi naman natin kailangan talaga sa katawan natin. Kailangan lang natin matikman pero hindi talaga siya healthy food. I know you will agree with me, yung mga audience niyan. Hello dyan. So, especially, last summer, gusto mong pumayat. Until ngayon, magiging summer niya naman ulit, hindi ka pa rin ngayon pumayat just like last year. Okay? So, ano yung mga habits, ano yung mga tricks na ako dati, medyo tumaba ako, sobra, and then pumayat na naman. So, it's not about food what we eat, no? Kasi ang food, hindi natin enemy yan when it comes to losing weight or when it comes to shedding of fats. Actually, yung food, hindi yan, hindi nga siya yung factor para maging payat ka. Okay? So, we'll help you for the next 40 minutes or more. We will help you how to identify yung eating habits para naman ma-share namin ni Edison kung paano kami pumayat o paano naman siya tumaba, whatever, and then how we can convert those habits or taking off those fats into cash kasi hindi lang naman tayo ang gustong pumayat, but we will manipulate the market para mag-provide natin yung gusto ng tao, which is yung weight loss. So if you have the product na makakasolve sa problem nila, makaka-erase ng fats nila sa katawan or any other cellulite, medyo mas merong malaki yung extra income. Alright? So let's begin my slides with this beautiful lady pero sobrang laki ng tiyan niya.
Sino ba yan? Who's that beautiful lady? Ex mo, okay.
Ex ko siya, tumaba na siya. Hindi ko na siya ex, Y na siya ngayon. Okay? Y na siya. Wala na siya. So, pag ladies, ang problema, tiyan. Pag lalaki, wala namang ibang problema, tiyan din. Diba? So, paano yan mawawala sa tiyan? Actually, you have your own weight loss story before. So, yung mga naging addict dyan dati sa mga synthetic o yung mga commercialized na weight loss, siguro naman sa inyo may mga nakakatikim na ng mga kino-commercialize sa TV na like na Lesufat, ano ba, Senecal, ang dami dyan eh. Pero hindi nga niya ma-identify kung anong tamang product sa'yo until malaman mo kung ano talaga yung real problem mo. Alright? And then weight loss, sabi ko nga yung weight loss, lahat yan. Weight loss or immune system loss or brain loss, lahat yan nagsisimula sa tiyan. Naniniwala ako dyan. I'm not a doctor to tell you what's going on inside doon sa tummy natin, but I can share with you yung experience and at the same time yung mga thoughts ng mga friends namin na they keep on telling stories why you're having hard time getting those desired figure kasi nga hindi mo nanonotice na nagsisimula doon sa tiyan mismo. Alright? So minsan, discover natin ano ba talaga yung bakit sa tiyan nagsisimula. Alright? So, gym ka ng gym, di naman nawawala. So, there's something wrong going on inside you. Alright? So, mamaya, we'll share a story kung ano yung mga dating na-try nyo na or bakit hindi siya nag-workout o dating nag-trim ka pero nag-stop naman tapos bumalik ka ulit sa desired figure mo. So, there are different factors for that. Alright? Let's continue again. Okay? So, alam mo, hindi ibig sabihin na healthy ka na o hindi mo na kailangan pumayat kasi gusto mo na yung timbang mo. Sa timbang mo na yan ngayon, hindi mo na kailangan bumalik sa dating timbang mo na mapayat ka. Or, you never considered being healthy or you never considered time to lose weight. Pero nung share ko lang yung experience ko before, nung lumaki ako from 48 kilos, umabot ako hanggang 72. Imagine that 24 kilos na nagain ko. So, ganun siya kalaki. Ganun ako kalaki. Pero, bakit ako nag-decide na bumalik sa ngayon, 55 na lang ako, it's because nagkakaroon ako ng palpitation. Nahihirapan yung heart ko mag-pump ng blood. It's because sobrang excess siguro ng fat ko o mabigat talaga yung timbang ko for my height. So, dapat maganda yung body mass index natin. Kasi kahit naman ganun ako kalaki, pero maliit yung height ko, nahihirapan ngayon yung katawan ko na umandar. Eh, di ba? Ganun naman pag sasakyan, daming laman, pero ang liit ng sasakyan, mahirapan siya, gapang siya sa pagtakbo. Ganun din yung katawan natin. Alright? And then, maraming benefits yung losing weight. Hindi lang yung pupuriin ka nung katabi mo o magiging sexy ka, magiging appealing ka, attractive ka. Hindi ganun yung losing weight. Okay? Output na yan ng pagbaba ng timbang mo. Makakaporma ka na, masusuot mo na yung gusto mo suot. Pero what's the benefit of losing weight is talaga is yung malenten or ma-prevent natin yung mga heart attack na yan, tsaka yung mga sinasabi nilang high blood pressure. Tsaka especially din yon yung mahirap na sakit na walang gamot, maintenance lang, yung diabetes. Okay? So, according to research ng American Heart Association, hindi lang pala diabetes, pero pati yung blood cholesterol natin, nagbe-breakdown na naman yan. So, ibig sabihin, napapaikli yung buhay natin. So, dapat alamin mo kung ano yung tamang timbang mo. Right? I hope you will agree with me with this. Okay? So, regular exercise, and then you decide to lose weight talaga. Yung tipong kaya na ng katawan mo. Hindi ka nahihirapan huminga. Okay? Yung tipong konting lakad na lang. Kung walang elevator yung opisina nyo, nahihirapan ka na umakyat, hingal ka na kaagad. It's not healthy. Okay? So, that's it. So, any one of you has this tummy? So, medyo may mga, may mga extension yung tiyan, no? So, I know more people na merong ganito. Alright? Extension, tapos merong pakpak yung tiyan.
Parang
tapos,
Batman, ano?
Parang yung legs niya. Oo, may pakpak, ano? Tapos, ang laki ng pusod. Parang, di ba? So, mahirapan ka talaga. Kasi ang katawan natin, pag malaking tiyan pala, no, share ko lang yung knowledge ko about this. Pag malaki yung tiyan mo, nagkakaroon ka ng slip disc, o nagkakaroon ka ng lower back pain. Kasi malaki po ang bigat ng tiyan mo, hindi kaya ng lower backbone mo na i-carry yung tiyan mo. So, dyan ka nahihirapan ngayon. So, lagi masakit yung likod mo, alright? kahit na lagi ka nakaupo ka for 8 hours, masakit pa rin yung likod mo, is because malaki yung tiyan mo, malaki nga yung tiyan mo. Ganun siya. Alright? So, ito yung tinatago-tago natin lagi. Okay? At ito rin yung gusto nating mawala. So, paano siya mawala? Kahit anong take mo dyan, ng kahit anong pre-prescribe sa'yo, yung narinig mo lang, hindi mo alam talaga bakit yan malaki, hindi talaga liliit yan. Kahit mag-sit-ups ka ng 1,000 per day niyan, hindi talaga liliit yan. Alright? So, ganun siya. So, I hope na we will get our desired lifestyle in figure natin after this presentation. And I hope some of our inputs makakatulong din sa mga audience natin ngayon. Alright? So, kaya siya malaki, sabi ko nga lagi, and my friend, is because kung gaano kahaba at ilang meter siya yung intestine natin, yung small man yan or large, merong nakasingit yan na hindi natunaw. Siguro mga last 2 years pa yan yung hindi na ilabas dyan na nakasingit. So imagine, di ba, kung french fries yan, hindi mo nakain last day, imagine at gaano na yan kaitim next day. Kung french fries yung kinain mo dyan at hindi mo nailabas this day or the next day after mo kinain. Siyempre, kung 2 years na yan, ganon na yan kabulok, okay? Dun sa intestines mo. At hindi naman nakikita yan. At mararamdaman mo na lang yan, pag medyo malaki na yan tiyan mo, hindi mo mararamdaman yan na mga next week, next month, hindi mo mararamdaman yan. Mararamdaman mo na lang yan pag after few years na. Yung tipong medyo, di ba, diyan ka nadali dyan, Brother Ed? So, medyo hindi natin alam yung nangyari sa loob. And sa mga gustong tumaba naman, hindi rin kayo tataba, katulad ko dati, kung hindi rin yung nalilinis din, yung mga gilid na yan, which is tiyan pumapasok, yung nutrients na kinakain natin pagdating sa tiyan.
Ano? Yes.
Yung vitamins, pag inom nyo, magbi-break in.
Idagdag ko lang, no? Yung regarding dyan sa mga nasa loob ng ng mga tiyan na yan, no? Actually, isa yan sa mga nagiging cause din ng ng appendicitis, 'di ba? Sabi nila sa buto pag tumakbo tapos yung karatapos kumain tapos tumakbo, or sometimes naman yung buto ng kamatis, ng bayabas. Sabi nila nagiging daw 'yon, nagko-cause ng appendicitis. So actually isa din na possible na maging cause ng appendicitis is yung mga dumi-dumi sa bituka na kapag hindi mo na ilabas ng maayos. Kaya ako alam kasi galing ako diyan.
Nayari ka diyan, no?
Nayari ako diyan, yes. Oo. So nung binuksan ako, yan yung mga yan yung mga nakita nun, yung mga ganyan. Sige, go ahead, parang Gerson.
Naka-imbak yan. Yes, thank you, Brother Ed, for sharing your experience, no? Biglaan lang yun, eh. Alam mo, magkasama pa kami nung umaga na yon, tapos kinabukasan, hindi niya alam. Pumutok na pala sa loob ng tiyan niya yan. So, hindi niyo malalaman hanggang hindi pumuputok yan. So, malamang, hindi natin alam, bukas, di ba? Malaki na pala, bigla lang pumutok bukas. Hindi yari tayo. Okay? So, yun po yung yung small info, hindi mo kailangan maging doktor para maintindihan mo to. Hindi mo kailangan pumunta ng ospital para ipapalinis mo yung intestine mo, walang ganun. Hindi mo kailangan uminom ng liquid sosa para matanggal yung bara na yan. Hindi ganun kadali. It's require certain habits and discipline, and then few of the knowledge. Dapat malaman mo to in order for you to live healthy and to lose that weight. Alright? Shift tayo ng slides, ha? Okay, so you need detox. Alright? So, ang detox, what if payat na ako, hindi ko na kailangan ng detox? Those are questions lagi or objections na hindi naman talaga valid. Hindi ibig sabihin payat ka, hindi ibig sabihin healthy ka, o kahit nga nag-gym ka maganda yung build mo hindi ibig sabihin healthy yung loob mo. Alright? Pag una mo ilinis yung tiyan mo, lahat ng body organs mo sasabay na yan. Okay? Again, I'm not a doctor to tell you that, pero kahit sinong tanungin nyo, yun po yun at sasabihin nila. Every disease started in a gut. Okay, sa tiyan. Okay, kasi dyan lahat. Alright? Pag matutulog ka, dyan lahat ng focus din ng bloodstream mo. Okay? Pag kumakain ka, dyan lahat, dyan pumupunta. Okay? Yan yung imbakan. Kung ano yung pumapasok sa bibig, dyan yung imbakan muna bago lumabas sa likod. Okay? So, kung hindi mailabas sa likod, dyan lang yan nakatago. So, you need a detox. Okay? So, ano yung mga certain detox na pwede natin kainin or pwede nating inumin? Okay? Pwede kayong mag-natural detox. Okay? May mga iba kayong tinitake. Sabi ko nga, may mga weight loss story kayo na effective na sa inyo. Continue doing it. Kung ano man yun. Okay? Pag hindi siya effective, hindi nyo na-feel, then you have to provide something bago. Okay? And then, para malaman nyo rin na it really works to have a detox. Alright? And then, meron kasi certain products ngayon, okay, na gusto naming i-share sa inyo, alright, na which is good for detoxifications. Okay? Ang side effects ng detox products is weight loss. Okay? Huwag kayo maniniwala na ang weight loss talaga is weight loss lang. Actually, bago siya naging weight loss, detox mo na siya. Okay? Hindi siya katulad ng pag ininom mo siya, ang effect niya lang talaga is pang weight loss. Hindi ganon. Bago siya mag-weight loss, kailangan mag-detox mo na siya. Alright? Parang change oil. Bago ka mag-change oil, tanggalin mo muna yung lumang oil. Agree? Ganon din yung katawan. You need to release yung old to replace a new. Alright? So, ngayon, certain product in the market which is trending ngayon, which is we want to share it with you. I know na some of you have heard it, some of you wala talagang kalam-alam, some of you hindi talaga concerned kung ano man yung product na to. But to tell you guys, this is the product na hindi, na 4th generation siya, which means hindi siya hassle. Alright? So, personal experience ko yon, kahit ako dati, skeptic, personal experience ko, na hindi ako naniniwala na ganun kabilis ka mag-lose ng weight within 2 days. But until I found yung testimonials and then I talked to doctors na skeptic din bago bumili ng product, hindi naniniwala na mag-lose ka ng 5 pounds in 2 days. Ano yun? Di ba? Miracle? Hindi ganun. Pero they exceed expectation minsan. Minsan naglo-lose pa sila ng 6 pounds in 2 days. Okay, depende din sa dumi ng tiyan mo. Minsan hindi ka naman naglo-lose ng ito ay walang diet. Alright? Sabi ko nga kanina, ang food, hindi nyo po kalaban. Kaya hindi ibig sabihin na nagka-crash diet kayo, ipapayat na kayo. Okay? Segue ko lang ha. Actually, one of my fitness friend na nutritionist siya ng isang sports, pag nagka-crash diet ka, lalo kang tataba, especially girls. Okay? Mga girls natin dyan, pag nagka-crash diet ka, hindi ka kumakain, nagpapagutom ka, expecting mo na napapayat ka, lalo kang tataba. Why? Because marami kayong fat cells. Ang babae, maraming fat cells. Ang lalaki, maraming muscle cells. Ngayon, pag hindi ka kumain, yung fat cells mo na yan, ang kakain sa kapwa nila ang fat cells. Ngayon, pag bumalik yung pagkain sa iyo at kumain ka, lahat ng blanco na yon, pupunan yon ng pagkain na yon. Kaya lalo kang tataba. Okay? So, one good point yan in lessons na huwag kayong magka-crash diet. Okay? Alternative nyo, pag gusto nyo mag-lose ng food intake is magkaroon kayo ng little frequent feeding. Skyflakes. Pinapromote ko na yung Skyflakes. Kain kayo ng biscuit para lang hindi kayo manginig at para lang mapunan yung mga kinikrave ng mga muscles nyo at saka yung fat cells nyo. Alright? So, ganun po yun. Alright, let's move in. So, we make a product strategy and then share. We also gather people and then these teams to promote yung product na to. And they found it effective, kaya they really wanted to share with you kung ano man yung product na natikman nila. And these girls are promoting this product to different schools and bazaars. And ngayon, by experience and then by testimony, nahirapan na rin kami mag-serve ng market kasi sobrang dami na rin minsan ng orders. So, hindi mo expected na yung product mismo yung magsasabi na, hey, I'm effective. So, mahirap din pag maraming orders, pero it's a good problem. Alright? So, 5-day weight loss solutions, lahat yan, natural and diet and fast results. Pag gusto mo mag-lose ng fats in just days, kunyari, may susuotin ka na gown in just a matter of 1 week, okay? Hindi ka pwedeng mag-gym kasi ang gym din naman siya kaagad-agad mag-lose ka ng weight in just 2 days, di ba? You need something na medyo fast yung results. And I guess this kind of product will to achieve these kinds of desired expectations mo within just days. Okay? So, nandyan sana si Krisha. I hope she can share sana sa atin ano yung mga experience niya eating this product and then selling this product. But medyo nasa biyahe pa siya ngayon, so she can join us in the next webinar na meron tayo ngayon. Alright? Gising pa ba tayo dyan, Brother Ed?
Gising pa ba kayo? Sige, go ahead.
Okay, so I hope na they're learning, no? So if you have any question, reserve nyo lang mamaya and then we can tackle it after this kind of
yes, kung may question kayo, just type in the chat box and sasagutin namin.
Okay, so thank you. This product is called Plum Delight Optrimax. Okay, actually this product started in Taiwan. Actually, marami ding sasabi na what if plum lang ang kainin ko, same effect ba sa product na to? Actually, wala namang plum sa Pilipinas eh. So kahit maghanap ka dito, walang plum. And it's different in prunes. Okay? Magkaiba po yung dried prunes tsaka yung plum. Yung plum is only cultivated or in cold countries. So galing siya Taiwan, fermented siya. Pag sinabi mo doon, plum lang kakainin ko, papet ba ako? No. Okay? Kasi it was fermented for 6 months with 3 other ingredients like green tea, probiotic, and pure tea. Okay, some of you will think, iinom na lang ako ng green tea. Available naman dito. Papet ba ako? Okay. You know what? Some of the side effect ng green tea ay hindi weight loss. Kundi, I know, ngayon mo lang nilalaman to, ang effect ng green tea is more on caffeine intake mo mas mataas. Magpapalpitate ka pag nasobrahan ka ng green tea. Okay, that's 1 point lesson. Pag nasobrahan ka po ng green tea, magpapalpitate ka kasi mataas ang caffeine content ng green tea. You need an exact amount of green tea lang every day. Hindi mo pwede araw-araw. Alright? And probiotics, which is present sa tinatawag nating product na Yakult, okay? Kaya sabi, okay ka pa dyan. So these are bacteria, good bacteria that will combat yung intestinal bacteria, bad intestinal bacteria na meron tayo ngayon. And a Chinese high-grade tea, which is the pure tea. Wala rin masyado dito pure tea sa Pilipinas. So this high-grade tea is fermented, dried pure tea is fermented together with the plum, probiotics, and green tea that will combine into one dried product which is yung tinatawag natin Plum Delight. Alright? Since na meron tayong dried prunes at meron tayong probiotics, yung lasa ng product po na to ay maasim. Diba yung yogurt maasim kasi probiotic po yun. Kaya lalo na yung prunes, yung plum, maasim din yun. So yung labas niyan is medyo maasim na plum. Pero hindi nyo malalasahan yung tsaa dyan. Okay, kasi fermented niya siya. So pag kinain nyo yan, nakatikim niyan si Brother Ed, sobrang sarap. Parang kumakain ka lang ng tamarind o kumakain ka lang ng kiamoy. Okay? So luwa mo lang yung buto, tapos na. Ngayon, ganun lang responsibilidad mo para bumaba yung toxins level mo at saka bumaba din yung weight mo. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Not just like other any weight loss products na capsule siya, or tablet siya, or liquid siya iniinom sa juice. Okay? Dagdag ko lang itong product na to is 4th generation na yan. which means yung first generation natin is yung tablet. Medyo mabagal matunaw ang tablet sa tiyan. Second generation is yung capsule. Pag inom mo, humihiwala yung dalawang capsule, powder yon, tapos namimix sa tiyan. Medyo pag sa tiyan, maraming factor para bakit hindi siya papasok sa bloodstream. Okay? Medyo
Actually,
nag-innovate. Third gen, yes bro.
Idagdag ko lang yung karamihan ng mga ng mga weight loss products. So, ang tawag doon mga mga suppressant or yung mga tinatawag na lalo na yung mga mamahalin,
Carbo blocker.
yung nabibili ng mga tigti 3,000 plus, yung talagang mabilis ka pumayat. Kaya lang ang kalaban doon, meron siyang tinatawag na withdrawal syndrome kasi karamihan ng mga weight loss products yung tinatawag nilang semi-met gawa sa alam mo yung methamphetamine. Sino dito familiar sa methamphetamine? Meron ba sa audience natin? Wala, no? So, hindi ka, medyo scientific kasi yung term. But when you say methamphetamine, actually, most of the weight loss products na mabibili over the counter, so, especially mga synthetics, meron siyang semi-met, means semi-shabu. So, iniiba niya lang yung mood mo para hindi ka makakain, but bottom line, kaya ka na mamayat, pero yung pagkapayat mo, hindi siya ganun kaganda, hindi healthy. Medyo toxins pa rin sa katawan. Actually, kalaban doon yung pag nag-fail ang kidney. Ayan, no? So, sige, go ahead, Gerson. Ayan.
Thank you. Yung palang tawag doon.
Yes.
Ano yan?
Methamphetamine.
Basta yun.
Semi-met. Yung iba tinatawag nila semi-met. Yan.
Kaya pala yun yung sabi ng kliyente namin kagabi, yung customer namin. Tumira daw siya ng ballerina. Kaso may halo pa daw yun. Kaya hindi pala siya makatulog sa gabi kasi parang high daw siya. Pero tumira talaga siya.
Yes, high ka, tapos
Ganun
nalulungkot ka. Ganun yung pakiramdam nun. High ka, nalulungkot ka. Alam
Ibig sabihin, ang ina-epekto niya, talaga yung mood mo, hindi yung intestinal mo. Yung mood mo.
Yes, may ina-alter siya sa mood mo para hindi ka makakain. Tapos mag-iiba yung pakiramdam mo. Mood ang tinitira niya, pero yung bottom line, after nun, bigla ka pa rin magugutom. Ayan, pag nawala yung yung
parang dried
gamot.
pala nun. Hindi ka nga pumayat. Na-dried ka lang.
Na-dry ka? Hindi, kaya ka mamamayat kasi hindi ka na makakain.
Okay, so thank you for
yan. Sige, go ahead.
Sige. Self-destruct pa rin yan. Okay,
yes.
So thank you. So, yun pala yun, semi-meta. So, hindi ko maintindihan siya kagabi. Ito pala yun, intindihan ko na ngayon bakit. Mood depressant pala yun. Okay? So, yun po yun, yung power ng all natural, and then dried siya, and it is hand-picked. So, medyo wala siyang combine, at this is chemical free at other synthetic ingredients na chemical na pampapayat. Kung wala na kayong makikita dyan na ibang ingredients maliban sa apat na yan. And it is fermented, which means 6 months siyang binuro, kaya medyo maasim siya. Kaya pag ang probiotic naburo mo, medyo effective lalo yan. Alright? So that's the composition of Optrimax Plum Delight. And it is different from other nabanggit namin na product kanina na medyo may effect sa kidney and other mood ng katawan natin. Alright? So, Plum Delight is a revolutionary weight loss gift for men and women. Actually, ang mahirap talaga pumayat is yung babae. Agree ako dyan. Agree ang babae na mahirap sila talaga pumayat kasi sa lalaki. Kasi bakit? Medyo mataas kasi yung motor factor ng lalaki kaysa sa babae, which means mas matrabaho yung katawan ng lalaki kaysa sa babae. So, ibig sabihin, mabilis yung metabolism ng lalaki kaysa sa babae. Alright? So, hindi naman ibig sabihin na mabagal yung metabolism ng babae, mahirapan din siya mag-lose ng weight. Hindi ganon. Okay? So, basta malinis lang yung intestinal tract natin. Alright? So, sabi ko nga kanina, yung ino-obtain nito is yung digestive system natin. Alright? And then yung ang mga ibang weight loss is carbo blocker, hindi ka makakain. Yun po yung, ang tawag nila doon is yung reverse effect ng pagkainom mo. Kaya hindi ka makakain, so hindi ka tataba. Ito po is high in fiber. Ibig sabihin, mas lalo kang kakain. Walang problema, kain ka lang ng kain. But, syempre, may disiplina ng konti kung kumain ka nito. Hindi po ka mawawalan ng gana. Ang effect po ng product na to is ilalabas na lahat kung ano man yung tinira mo kahit last week pa. Ganun siya. So, pag take mo nito, it is high in fiber kasi po ang plum or yung dried plum ay high in fiber. Pag kumain ka nun, syempre, kahit sino naman kumain ng fiber, pinya, papaya, babahay fiber. Pag kumain ka nun, talagang kakalamin tiyan mo, di ba? So, lalabas na lahat, yung lahat halos na na-stored mo doon na hindi mo na ilabas this day. Right? Yun yung nire-remove niya. That's why ang 5 pounds in 2 days is possible. Kasi yung nagpapabigat sa tiyan mo, yung 5 pounds na yan, is yung mga unwanted bowels mo yan, hindi yung fats mo. Okay? Magkaiba po yung weight loss, tsaka magkaiba po yung figure loss. Kasi mayroon minsan na nag-weight loss na, pero ganun pa rin yung weight, yung build nila. Meron namang lumiit, pero ganun pa rin yung timbang nila. Okay? So, dapat sabay. So, yung effect nito is yung improved bowel movements. Kakapi muna ako Improved bowel movements, which means the normal average person must deliver 2 to 3 times bowel movement. Kasi 3 times po tayo kumakain, may regular. Kung 1 time ka lang po nag-deposit sa bangko sa isang araw, medyo problema mo yung dalawa kung saan napunta. Alright? And then, promote healthy digestive system. Ako po, never po ako nagkaroon ng constipation. Siguro, pangalala ko, mga once, twice. And then, yung tinatawag nilang hindi natunawan. Hindi ko alam bakit. Okay? So, medyo minsan, pag maarte po yung tiyan natin, medyo may problema po sa tiyan, hindi po sa kinain. Ganun po yun. Huwag nyo lagi sisisihin yung kinain nyo. May problema po talaga dyan kung saan pumupunta yung kinain nyo. Okay? Kasi perfect po yung katawan natin. Yung mga minsan, hindi na siya naging perfect kasi tayo rin yung sumisira dyan. Okay? Napapabayaan. Promote smooth facial complexion, yung mga effect niyan, reverse effect, and then safe way to lose weight faster. Ito po yung target natin, to lose weight faster. Any product that will give you faster result, to na ako. Okay? Kasi bakit? Minsan nagtitipid tayo Minsan, dala ako sa Fit and Right. Ilan bang Fit and Right na tinira mo, hindi ka na bumaba ng timbang. Okay? So, parang titipid ka, pag sinam up mo lahat ng ininom mo na mura, mas makamahal ka pa. Hindi naman nag-take effect. Okay? So, sobrang mura ng product. Actually, yung product na to, you can get it as 1,200. 10 sachet yan. Okay? So, pag distributor price, you become a distributor, so 1,050. So, mamaya, pag-usapan natin how you can get it for 1,050 and how you can earn by retailing this kind of product. So, 10 sachet siya. So, 10 days program mo yan. Hindi mo kailangan kumain ng madami niyan para pumayat ka na mabilis. 1 plum a day, okay, will keep your fats away. Yan yung bagong motto. 1 plum a day will keep your fats away. So, isang plum lang per day. Okay? Kasi sobrang na yan. Effective na yan. Right? So, ganun po siya. Very laxative po yung tiyan nyo. Kaya pag pagkain nyo kaagad, after 4 hours, 6 hours, babalik-babalik na kayo ulit dun sa trono nyo. Okay? Sipo yung plums. Other expected results na medyo nakaka-shock. So, they lose several pounds in just a matter of days. Okay? Especially pala dun sa mga babae, pag medyo nanganak na sila, lumalaki talaga yung tiyan na yan. Automatic yan. Okay? So, medyo mahirap na ibalik sa dating figure. Maybe you can help this could help sa inyo. Okay? Sa tiyan ninyo. At sa mga men, kung sino gusto dyan mag-gym, actually, ang toning ng muscle, kasi dati nung addict ako sa gym, Brother Ed, talagang kahit anong libro tsaka yung mga article sa web, pinag-aralan ko para lang
Meron ka bang
tone
picture dyan? Alam ko may picture ka sa Facebook eh.
meron akong picture dyan. Pakita ko sa inyo kung
Sige,
gaano ako malaki dati.
pakita mo.
Mamaya. Ngayon na.
Oo, para ano, yan.
Mamaya.
Yung pagiging gym buff noon.
Oo, pakita ko sa inyo ha. So, actually dati, pag gusto ka, makukuha mo talaga. So, yun, pinag-aralan ko lahat kung ano kakainin, kung ano pinagagawa ko sarili ko. And then I found out kung ano yung mga toning na yan, ano yung mga cuts na yan. I'll show you kung gaano ako kalaki dati.
Sige, go.
Okay, sana mabilis yung internet. Okay, so, commercial muna tayo. Kape-kape muna tayo at medyo malamig.
Asa na? Ayan, habang hinahanap ni Jerson ng kanyang
Okay, pa ba?
itsura
Kailan pa tayo dyan ngayon, Brother Ed?
Ano? Ayan, eto. Sige.
Ilan ba tayo ngayon dyan?
Marami-rami na rin. Marami tayo ngayon dito. Ayan, marami makakita ng iyong ng iyong pagiging gym buff.
Madami, no? Kita tayo.
Pagiging hunk. Ayan, sige. Teka, medyo nawawala ka. Nawawala ka.
Si Brother Ed, kung nakita nyo lang yung katawan niya dati, di ba?
Sige, unahin natin pakita yung sayo.
Profile pic ko yung ginawa kong profile pic yan eh. Mina na connection ko eh.
Sige, pag una kong nakita, ayan, kukunin ko yung screen para medyo mas mabilis ang connection ko ngayon. So, kung makita ko siya, papakita natin sa kanila, no? Gym ba? Actually, maganda to, yung di ba, pag talagang gusto mong maging healthy, yung talagang cut ka ng trim, nagtitrim ka ng fats.
Nung ko, dati kong katawan.
Nakita mo na? Asan nga ba yun?
Brother Ed?
Yes.
Yan dati
Teka, nakita mo na? Hindi pa lumalabas sa ating sa screen namin.
So, bilis ko mag-gain ng weight niya, ang bilis ko rin mag-lose ng weight. Ayan na. Kita niyo?
Ayan, tayo natin Tayo natin ng konti. So medyo mabagal ngayon yun, lumabas.
Ayan na. So dati, yan yung 72 pounds na sinasabi ko sa inyo. Okay na ako, Brother Ed?
Okay na. Sige.
Hello?
Sige, go ahead.
So, yan po. Nag-gain ako ng weight and then nag-lose din ako ng weight so fast. So, sabi ko nga, balik ulit sa slides. Tama na yan. Medyo mabilis din kayo mag-gain ng muscle pag medyo malinis yung tiyan nyo. Okay? So, dati nag-take din ako ng pang-detox bago ako mag-take ng creatine tsaka ng amino acids para talagang full pack yung nutrients na ma-absorb ko. Okay? Sobrang bilis yan. In just 6 months, I gained ganun kalaki. Okay? So, going back to our presentation, it will really help you. Yung Plum Delight, it really help you dun sa body processes nyo. Gain man o weight loss man. Okay? Hindi ka ba nagsasawa sa kakaharap sa salamin tapos iba yung angle para hindi makita yung nakatak-in na bilbil? It's time to end that. Alright, so ito si Krisha. Actually, nag-lose siya ng 7 pounds in 4 days. Kasi medyo malaki kasi siya dati. Medyo madumi din siguro yung loob. But she's 17, so 1 plum a day and then she lose 7 pounds in 4 days. Alright? So, hopefully, she can join us in the next day. And then, yan po yung plum. And then, Other questions about the product, Brother Ed?
Iba sa
May
inyo?
questions ba dyan? Para bago natin puntahan yung next phase natin, mayroon tayong konting muni-muni muna kung dun sa mga natin, na-share natin sa inyo.
Anyway, yung mga gustong magbawas. Ang pinag-uusapan natin ngayon yung how to lose weight, okay? Ngayon malapit na tayo sa tinatawag na how to get paid, 'di ba? Kaya nga pinagsama natin how to lose weight, ngayon how to get paid while losing weight. Ayan, no? Sige, wala namang questions so far.
Okay, so medyo mas madali makinig kaysa magtanong, di ba? So, okay, makinig lang tayo ulit sa ating programa, ano? So, yun po yun, yung carry over na product, which is yung hot trends ngayon sa weight loss. So, wala kami ibang napili ni Brother Ed kung di ito yung Plum Delight para doon satisfy yung market, which is 465 billion US dollars market po yan ng weight loss product. So, kahit 10% lang ng market share mo sa Pilipinas na ma-provide yung lahat ng mga Pilipino na gustong bumaba ng timbang o mag-lose ng weight, medyo malaking extra income yan para sa atin. Hindi na siya extra, di ba? Full-time income yan pag million na pinag-uusapan. Okay? Kasi kahit sinong tao naman, dagdag ko ulit, walang tao na gusto niya tawagin siyang mataba. Agree?
Yes. Oo.
Lahat kayo mag-agree niyan. Diba? Medyo nakakalus ng confidence yan. Pag sinabi mong medyo healthy ka, medyo malusog ka, nakakalus ng confidence yan. So, lahat tayo dapat maging medyo tama lang, matamdaman, o much more is maging sexy at hunk.
Yes.
Nakatulad ni Edison, hunk na hunk.
Okay.
So, madali lang yan. Okay? So, siguro, let's say, pag okay na tayo, we can discuss more how to make money on retailing. Okay?
Sige.
Then, the word is retailing. Okay? So, this product is exclusively distributed by Best World Lifestyle, yung BWL. Okay? So, bawal. Life at its best. Okay? So, BWL is from Singapore. So, we just took it from BWL para meron kaming madrive na product as ma-serve yung market. Right? So, what's BWL? Actually, how you can get paid retailing this kind of product. Kasi for sure, guys, as my personal testimony, once you take the product or once you sell the product, ikaw na mismo hahanapin ng tao the next time na maubos yung product nila because it's really effective and those people na nag-take, sila pa mismo yung mag-refer sa tao na gusto nilang pumayat din sa mga friends nila. And they will do all the selling for you. Hindi ka mahirapan to distribute this product. At if you know someone or if it is you who wants to lose weight, just give it a try. Okay? It will really shed your fats. Ganun siya kabilis lang. You don't have to wait for months. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So, ano yung BWL? Actually, yung BWL is a 22-year-old company. Okay? So, it's direct selling company. Alright? So, which means direct selling, it works like a product like Avon and other direct selling company na familiar pa sa inyo. Right? So, company, the products, and how you get paid into a compensation plan kung how much or how many boxes yung nasold mo. Okay? Doon tayo mag-usap. How many boxes yung nasold mo, the product itself. Okay? So, ganun siya. So, the company. Actually, yung company is located in Singapore, but it has sub-regions worldwide. Right? So, this only the company na meron siyang, it is only a public listed company sa Singapore. Okay? Any local company na direct selling na public listed that you can think of. Number one is Fernc. Yung Fernc is the public listed company, the only public listed company na direct selling na local sa Philippines. Sa Singapore, yung BWL lang din as a Forbes Asia, yung naging public listed company. In order for you to become public listed company, you should have a sales of 1 billion. Okay, in 1 year, annual yun. And then you become public listed company. Ganun po kalakas yung best world, okay, sa Singapore and other countries. Alright? And it has 20 regional centers worldwide. Kasama na po yung Pilipinas as regional center. Okay, so sa regional center ng sa Pilipinas, it is 5 months old pa lang yung BWL, I think. Alright, so other countries, meron na rin silang established. And yung plum is very sikat po yan sa Asia. It's because medyo rare na po yung plantation nun. That's why ganun po kataas yung market impression ng product ng BWL when it comes to Plum Delight. Alright, so other recognitions. Okay, familiar na rin kayo sa mga logo, sa super brands, good manufacturing practice, and other logos. Okay, yun po lagi tanong sa Plum, safe ba to? May BFOD ba to? May halal ba to? Diba? Ganun lagi tanong Okay? It won't last for 22 years kung hindi ka makasecure ng ganun permit. Ganun ang sagot ko lagi. Okay? It's complete registrations. And 2 founders, 2 beautiful girls. And then some other info for company credibility is one of the founders ng company is also one of the chairperson ng World Federation for Direct Selling Association. Locally, it is called DSAP. Okay, sa local term natin, DSAP yan. Sa international term is World Federation of Direct Selling Association, WFDSA. Okay, the chairperson of the BWL is also Association Service Committee for WFDSA. Alright, 22 years in the industry, fresh in the Philippines. Alright, so that's it for the company, and then siguro I have a few minutes for how you get paid in selling the plum, or how you get paid in helping people how to lose weight, or how you get paid taking plum. Kahit ikaw na lang mag-take, still, you get paid. Alright? The compensation plan is very simple. Okay? Yung compensation plan natin is only rewarded or being divided into 2 parts, the unilevel and the group rewards. Okay? Ibig sabihin, you will be rewarded in unilevel system, okay? And if you get the package, you'll become a member, and the next purchase mo, just like what works, is discounted na siya. Okay? So yung first package natin for if you want to become a distributor ng BWL carrying a plum product is you have to invest 1,800 pesos. Okay? As a business person, to take million of market share ng weight loss products, 1,800 is a good start. Okay? So, you have 1 plum. Okay, may isang plum ka na, bayad ka ng 800. Yun po yung makukuha mo. Is meron kang isang box, tapos membership fee mo is 600. So, kaya 1,800 yan. 1,200 yung per box, tapos membership is 600. And then you will get 45% discount voucher. Yung BWL kasi, meron siyang super high-end, super brand ng skincare. Okay? Next time we will discuss it, the Dr. Secret. So you will get 45% of Dr. Secret products. Okay? Kahit ano din mamili ka, you have 45%. Okay? Kasama po yan sa package ninyo. And then you have your own account system online, which right now, you can do online membership kung sino naman yung gusto mong member, and then you can do online buying sa e-commerce system na natin yun. Alright? And then since Edison and I are practicing e-commerce internet marketing, we are rewarding those people who will join our business to become, to receive yung e-commerce training na meron kaming modules. Okay? So we will train you how to set up your own website, we will train you how to have your own merchant, how to have your own logistics. Ganun po yun. So, very lucky kayo to have Edison be part of your business, become partner with Edison so that he could share with you yung mga tinitrain niya paid dito libre. Tama ba, Brother Ed? Yan, tama
No?
na.
Oo,
Okay.
ganito, no?
So, this is a high value invest.
Sige, ganito. Okay, are you familiar with online MLM? So, I know yung iba sa inyo hindi pa narinig yun. Yung iba sa inyo, pag narinig nyo, pag sinabing MLM, medyo yung iba natatakot, ano? So, yung iba, maalis na. Ngayon, with this, no, ang focus natin dito with our strategy is prospecting, no? How to get prospects online. So, yun ang magiging focus ng natin, ng technique natin kasi I know most of you ang laging question, where will I get my customers, where will I get my business partners, no? So that's why we have a strategy. Teka, papakita ko yung no, yung site ko, no? So okay lang, Jorsan, kunin ko yung screen. Hello?
Okay lang.
Sige, I'll get the screen. Okay. Ayan, now you are seeing my screen. Okay, first of all, I would like to show you some of my strategies using online. So actually, this webinar is one of our strategies to provide value first. So kung mapapansin nyo kanina, hindi kami nag-hard sell or anything na in-invite kayo sa alam niyo sa office, 'di ba? It feels na very convenient sa inyo that you are seeing the presentations online, 'di ba? Sa harap lang kayo ng PC, hindi kayo namasahe, hindi kayo nagbihis, then suddenly we will bring you somewhere, no? So right now, itong nakikita nyo online, sino dito nakita na nung vlog ko? Ayan, no? Ayan. So this one, I'm using this one, my blog. So when it comes to Alexa ranking, papakita ko, no? Sige, I'm going to show you one of my Alexa ranking. Ayan, no? So I'm around pang 2,254 top websites in the Philippines. So most of my traffic are coming in the Philippines. So ibig sabihin, mostly kasi when you say website traffic, it means that you are drawing people papasok dun sa website mo. And right now is I'm currently in the 398,000 when it comes to Alexa traffic rank. So it's getting it's getting higher kasi the lower ang Alexa rank mo, therefore it means that you are getting good traffic, you are getting good visitors. Okay? Ngayon with our team, so ito yung ito yung binibigay namin sa team namin. It's how they can market, how they can get customers, how they can prospects. So ayan, no. So eto na, no. And ngayon, why I choose Optrimax or BWL as my product kasi e-commerce or internet marketing is only a process. So if you are good in traditional selling, then go for it. So hindi namin kayo pupwersahin na gawin ko to for those people na But if you want to learn the strategy of online internet network marketing, you can actually join us kasi pagdating sa e-commerce, iba-iba ang principle bawat industry, iba-iba ang practice, okay? So halimbawa let's say nasa industry ka ng ng mga online retail selling, so iba rin ang practice doon, 'di ba? Ngayon pag nasa industry ka ng ng online MLM, iba rin ang approach. So depende sa target market, depende sa industry na ginagalawan mo, no? Okay, like with us, kasi ang unang question, alam ko, yung iba, I don't have a friends, hindi ko alam saan makakuha ng customer. This is only one of the many strategies that we are doing, okay? So, ayan, no? So, ayan. So, malinaw na, no? Sige, go ahead. Any questions? Kagaya, eto pa, no, isa din pala, no, gusto ko ring i-share sa inyo yung strategy naman ng isa sa mga, ayan, sa grupo ng mga kabataan namin. So, eto, no. Ayan, no. So, kung nakikita nyo ngayon sa sino ba nakakita dito? Nakikita nyo ba yung yung screen ko? Can you raise your hand? Meron ba? Ayan, no? So, these kids are using their fan page. Ayan, no? Nag-hit, to. So, ang taas ng reach niya. So, okay. So, these teens are using their fan page as their marketing, as their marketing tool naman. So, this is a different strategy kasi iba rin ang target market nila, no? So, it's more focused on, on attracting people. So, attraction marketing. So, ayan. So, this is already 1 year. Okay. So, iba-iba. So, depende sa target market, depende sa, sa industry mo. So, yan, napakaraming internet marketing strategy. Iba sa affiliate marketing. So, iba yung sa online MLM, iba naman yung sa online retail na tinatawag. You are managing your retail store. There are different, technique. It depends on the industry you are. It depends on your, on your market. Ayan. Sige, okay na. Go ahead, Gerson.
Okay, thank you, Brother Ed. Am I loud and clear? Go back.
Go back to your screen.
Hello?
Taya, bigay ko yung screen mo. Ayan.
Alright. So, okay, so am I loud and clear? So, thank you for sharing with your expertise, Brother Ed. For those other people na nakakilala kay Edison, no, as well as yung naka-attend sa seminar niya, alright? So, this free value na ibibigay niya sa inyo, you can contact him na magpaturo sa kanya. Okay? Siguro, willing naman siya to take you sa e-commerce world as long na you become part of our business clan. Tama? So, going back to my presentation, what you can avail to become a starter package member dito sa BWL Business together with Plum Retails is meron ka pang business na you can have your own retail store. Okay, kung gusto mong magtayo ng sarili mong salon, you can use BWL also ng mga products, hindi lang yung Plum. Alright? So, balikan ko ulit na, what you can get from the package is you have one Plum, okay? And then you become a member for 600 pesos. It's a lifetime membership. Then you have product vouchers kung may gusto kang bilhin for your skincare product, then you can avail 45%. And then you have your access, and then you have your free training. That's it. Just like you're buying one product, 1,800. And the next purchase mo ng product is 1,050 na lang. Hindi na siya 1,200. Alright? So that's it. The income side. If you become a member and then you invite a member naman, is you gain 150 pesos kaagad out of the 1,800. Okay? Malinaw po tayo dun ha. If you become a member, then you invite people to become a member also. Then you have an outright, which means ibulsa mo na kaagad. You have 150 pesos out of the 1,800. Alright? So, ganun siya. Then, plus, if you have a membership voucher, di ba kanina sabi, pag member mo, binigyan ka ng isang membership voucher. Okay? Then, if you have a voucher, 600 pesos po yung worth niyan. Which means, kung may voucher ka, 150 less 600, ang ibibigay mo na lang sa counter is 1,150. Tama? Kasi 750 yung, hindi, 1,050 na lang ibibigay mo sa counter. Kasi ang 750 is take home mo na yun. So again, pag may nag-member ng 1,800, ang total income mo is 750. In just one box of Plum, you have 750. Okay? Kung i-compute mo yan, more or less, it is 45% na profit kaagad, outright. Almost. Ganun siya kataas. So imagine if you have 750, 1 box per day, multiply by 30, 7 times 3, you have 21,000 in 1 month. Parang tatrabaho ka lang nun. Okay? Very lucrative pa, very conservative pa yan. Alright? And then, next, after 1 week, then you have one member na nagpa-member din sa'yo. You are the sponsor. After a week, you still have 189 pesos. Maki-carry over siya dun sa ATM mo. If you total it, it's 939 pesos all in all income in just 1,800 pesos na business package. Malaki yan. Kami ni Edison, gumagawa kami ng sariling MLM system. We also cater MLM system from other companies. Pero wala pang kampanya na ganun kalaki ang binibigay for one-time membership na ganun kababa. Imagine niyo, almost 52% ang binigay for one-time membership lang na 1.8. That's very, very high payout ratio. Alright? And then, hindi lang tatapos dyan. You still have another compensation plan. Meron ka pang tinatawag na unilevel reward up to 32%. Okay? Discuss natin mamaya yung table niyan. And then, meron ka pang infinity reward, which is the group reward bonus up to 4.5% ng sales niya. Okay? Sa understanding ng MLM, for you as a veteran, share namin yung experience namin sa iyo, ang true MLM is you are rewarded based on your product sales. Okay? Ulitin ko. You are rewarded based on your product sales, not in your recruits. The true direct selling company rewards you on your product volume sales, not on how many people you recruit. Kasi dito, even though you haven't recruit but you sell more products, still you still have the bonus and rewards. That's a true MLM. That's a true direct selling company. Alright? So that's it. Yun yung starter package. Next. It is 52%. Diba? In the industry, 939. That's the highest payout ratio. Okay? That's the highest payout ratio. Other companies is 28% to 32% lang. Okay? You have 20% advantage for the business. Right? Then you can join also for the business builder pack. Medyo mas malaki kasi mas marami yung plum at mas marami yung benefits at mas malaki yung kita pag ito yung sponsorship level na kinuha nyo. You join at 7,800, you get 6 boxes of plum. 6 boxes of plum is 6,300 because 1,050 isa. Multiply by 6. Then you have a membership fee of 600. And then you get 6 voucher, product discount voucher. So, 6 po yun. Ng 45% sa Dr. Secrets. Then you have free membership vouchers na tig 600. Diba sabi ko kanina, sa starter package, pag may voucher ka, may membership voucher ka, pera na yon, is equivalent to money. Then dito sa builder pack, may libre ka ng 6. At gagamitin mo yan lahat pag may nagpa-member na iba. 6 yan. Then you have free e-commerce training again. And then you have your EXS system access. Yun yung seamless access natin sa web. That's the true investment or high value investment if you join at 7,800 pesos. All products. The membership is just 600. All products po yan. Alright? Then, the money side. If you join at 7,800, then you get people also to do the business at 7,800 also. Then, the outright bonus is 900 for you. Bulsa mo na ulit yan. Meron ka na 900 pesos. Malaki, no? Kanina, 150. Then, after a week, okay, meron kang 1,698 pesos sa ATM mo. Okay? Then, di ba kanina may membership voucher ka? So, you give the membership voucher, meron ka pang 600. So, ang re-remit mo na lang sa counter is 7,800 minus 1,500. Bakit 1,500? Outright mo 900, membership voucher mo 600, bulsa mo na yon. So, ang nire-remit mo na lang sa counter is how much? 6,600. Hindi. 13,000. Ang re-remit mo na lang sa counter is 6,600. 6,300, sorry. 6,300. Okay? Kasi kuha mo na yung 1,500. Alright? So, total income mo for 1 week period, including yung ATM na pumasok sa'yo as your direct referral bonus is 3,198. Mag-ikot man kayo or any other business that could give you 3,198. Ang entry package is 7,800. Wala kang makikita na ganun. That's again, almost 50 plus percent. 51% almost. 45% almost ng payout ratio. Alright? So, ganun siya kalaki. Still applies. Meron ka pang unilevel, meron ka pang group reward bonus up to 4.5%. Okay? So, ganun siya kabili. Ganun siya kalaki. Ha? Nakakalula. Ganun talaga siya kalaki. Okay? If you have 2 business builder package lang in 1 week, then you have 6,400 in 1 week for only 2 pack. Sa experience namin, guys, 6 na boxes, hindi abutin ng 2 araw yan. Isang araw, benta ka agad yan. Sobrang dami ng customer supply.
Ilang araw yung nabenta nyo last month?
We sell last month we sold 1,926 bucks in 30 days.
30 days, ano?
Ganun kadami.
Kasi very, very highly consumable ng product, and it's not that expensive compared with with others. So affordable siya, consumable, tsaka may demand.
Yes.
Oo.
Ganun siya. So almost 2,000 boxes yun, no, in 1 month. Ganun siya. Alright. So 41 payout ratio, sabi ko kanina. Diba? 7.8, tapos may 3,198 ka. Halos kalahati. Sobrang laki. Okay? Never pa akong nagkaroon ng ganyan eh. Ganun kalaki, Brad. 3,000 tapos 7.8. Sobrang impressive. Okay? So, okay, ganyan po yun. So, we have 2 business entries. We have 7,800 and we have 1,800. You have to choose which is kung saan yung komportable ka. Okay? So either way, it's the same products. So that's it. And then sabi ko kanina, besides dun sa outright income, besides dun sa direct referral, at besides dun sa membership bonus mo, meron ka pang tinatawag na unilevel compensation plan, which is 32%. Why 32%? Because up to 9th level ka babayaran ng company. First level mo 18, second level up to 7th level is 2%, 8th level to 9th level is 1%, 1%. Pag tinotal mo yung percent na yan, is 32%. Okay? So, may bumili lang ng isa at your 9th level, kahit ikaw yung sa taas, meron ka pang 1%. Pag bumili sa 8th level mo, meron ka pang 1%. Imagine, hindi mo na magpipigilan yan. Then, pag sumobra sa 9th level, meron ka pang tinatawag na group rewards, which is up to infinity yan. And it depends doon sa business rank mo. Okay? We will tackle dyan yung rank na yan as we have more business together. Alright? So, pag kinonvert natin yung percent into figures, yung 18% niyan is 189. Sabi ko nga, papasok sa ATM mo. Pag sa 2% is 21 pesos up to the 9th level. Alright? So, ganun siya. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. Okay? At para makuha mo yung up to 9th level, okay, you have to buy lang 1 plum. Okay? For your personal consumption. Ganun lang kasimple. Next. Then you have your own...
Yes, eto, dagdag ko lang, Gerson. This is more into, para mas, this is more into royalty, no? Parang royalty ang dating niya. You refer a buyer, and then if the buyer will refer, so you earn a royalty per box of 42 pesos every time they buy. So parang parang ang nangyayari dito is more on word of mouth. Hindi no hard selling kasi kung tutuusin wala talaga siyang tinatawag na na compare with others na quota. It's more on maintenance lang, so personal consumption mo. And then once na yung nag-refer and they're also consume the product, and then that's you earn 42 pesos per per box.
Per box.
So yes, actually even with 'di ba sa mga massive market, lalo na pag mass market. Just to earn, halimbawa na lang, kung familiar kayo with ano bang vitamins ito, yung Pern-C na vitamins, di ba? So imagine if you have at least 5 peso per box doon, no? That's big, di ba? Let's say, halimbawa, na ipasok mo somewhere like Watson, and then you have a royalty of 5 pesos. Actually, kasi kilala namin yung nagpasok sa Watson, eh. That's why we know that, yeah, the person is getting a royalty from it. So every time when someone buy a box from Watson, and even with this one, so imagine if just someone will buy per box of 40 pesos, then you get a royalty, 'di ba? So parang residual, passive, very passive income. So yun ang pinaka focus nito is you consume the product and get other consumer just refer it, and if this consumer will refer, so you earn, you pay, and you get a passive income. So yun lang, na dagdag ko lang, na-share ko lang. Sige, go on, Jerson.
Tama. Thank you, Brother Ed.
Mm-mm.
So, sobrang laki niyan compare sa 5 pesos, di ba?
Yes.
So, that's times 8, almost.
Mhm.
Alright, so 42 pesos, retention naman yon, which means personal consumption per level, you have 42 pesos. And for other products, which cost 1,575, you still have 63 pesos per product, per capsules naman yun. Other products yun. Alright, so that's our for compensation plan. We have the recruits. Ang recruit natin kanina is 21 pesos and 189. For the retention, we have 42 pesos, that's 4%. Still, it's 32%. Yung first level mo, 4, up to 7th level, 8th level to 9, 2%. Pag tinotal mo yan, that's still 32%. So we have a highest reward of 32% per level. Solid long-term income.
Yes.
Wala kang diyan paparisahan, wala kang diyan re-recruitin. It's a purely product distribution. Okay?
Kaya
So,
nga
ganun siya kasimple.
how to lose weight, how to get paid to lose weight. So you lose weight, then you refer it because of your personal experience that you lose weight. Actually, very, very effective siya, eh. Kasi, before ko rin masubukan ito, I have some friends that already talking to me about about this product, that they lose weight actually. So nabawasan yung timbang nila, and
Tama-tama.
yes, yung mga taba-taba. And I was amazed nung una. Actually, to be honestly speaking, I'm very skeptic about this product. Well, that's normal kasi wala namang social proof pa nun natin, 'di ba? Wala pang social proof, eh, kung totoo ba, 'di ba? Kung meron ba. And kasi pag minsan hindi naman sana, pero kapag mga picture sa internet lang, ang hirap maniwala. And if of course kung ikaw mismo, kasi there's nothing to lose, eh. What is 1,000 for to take it, 'di ba? And ang dami nagsabi, even some of my friends na nung nagkita-kita kami, they are telling me about this Optrimax, so sabi nila BWL. And then they actually lose weight. Yan, no? And 1 year na rin, no, nung nakita natin to, no?
Almost.
Almost 1 year. So, ayan, no? So yan, no. So how to lose weight and get paid? It's another way you get paid if you refer, of course. So, and then if the person refer another person, that's how you earn very passive income. Okay?
Yeah. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Huwag nating gawing komplikado pa ang negosyo.
Oo.
So,
Basta kung ano yung
if you
nakikita
have
niyo dyan per box yan. Royalty mo yan per
ganun
box.
lang siya kasimple. Wala.
Oo.
Wala ka nang intindihin na kung ano-ano pang reward, ano-ano pang pooling-pooling dyan. You make it more simple. Okay? So,
Yes, oo.
hindi mahirap gumawa ng market when it comes to this kind of product. It's because everybody wants to try.
Mm-mm.
Hindi katulad ng everybody wants to be healthy. Kung may tinitake silang supplements, hindi mo na kailangan yan bentahan, di ba?
Ayan, no. So, ayan, no, kung may mga questions kayo, you can put your questions you can type your questions on the chat box. Yan, kung may mga tanong kayo, then we will answer it. Ayan. Sige, move forward, Gerson. Any additional? Hello? Yeah. Ayan na, wala ako. Yan.
Excel.
Yan, no, ayun.
Hello?
Hello. Yan na, medyo nawala ako eh. Sige. Yan, ulitin ko, kung may mga questions kayo, lagay nyo lang sa chat box. So, sasagutin namin, no? Yan, after the, siguro after the presentation, let's see. Yan, okay?
Yeah. So, continue ko lang. I mean, to last 2 slides. So, this is it. Medyo sobrang simple yung product. So, this is a compensation plan based on the Power of 6 computation. You have 6 kasi. So, we will explain it more to you after this webinar if you want to try business, right? So, also, we have promos, yung BWL, if you want to take a fly to Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam this 2013 in July, then you can join us if you have more products na ma-dispose sa Plum, then you can join to Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. So, ganun lang siya. And then, I'm done, Brother Ed.
Yes,
so,
okay.
Kung may mga tanong ka dyan, maraming salamat for staying us for last 40 minutes.
Yeah,
so,
40 minutes. Yes.
So,
thank you sa mga
kayo?
Yeah. Ngayon, if you have any questions, so you can also message us on Facebook. So, yung iba naman dito, I know na friend na namin sa Facebook. And if you want to buy, ayan, no, you can buy from us, so you can pay through credit card, through PayPal. Okay, we can use that. So, then we will ship you the product, the item. Okay, so it's all about getting paid to lose weight. Magkatunog ba? Getting paid to lose weight. So, just send us a message or add us on Facebook. So, ayun. Okay, may gusto pa idagdag, Son?
Actually, wala na, no? So, very privileged lang ako to share this video. So, it's up to you if you decide to take on and take another challenge. Okay? Kung if you really want to lose weight, then okay, you can get the product. If you really want to lose weight and if you really want to do the business, then welcome to the team.
Yeah,
right?
sayang wala
So,
si
thank you again,
sayang wala si Krisha, no? Yeah, Krisha is
si Krisha,
the girl is only 17 years old, so she's a model, a part-time model, and also doing this business as a part-time, and now she's earning passive income through the product. She just referred it.
yun,
Yeah, she just referred it, and yun, she supply, and then yun, sunod-sunod na nag-viral na So, yun. Okay, so I think, thank you for coming. I think this is all for tonight. Add us on Facebook. And, good night. Good night to all.
Join our group.
Join our group. Ano ba yung pangalan ng group natin? Plum the Light. So, we'll add you on our group, Plum the Light, just to observe. So, we don't want to do hard sell sa inyo. So, just observe us and see if the product will work on you. So, there's nothing to lose. Okay? I think there's something to lose. You lose weight. Okay. Ayan, no. Sige, thank you for coming. Sign off?
Alright.
Hello? Wala na si Gerson.
Yes, Joe.
Ayan, no. Wala. Anyway, thank you for coming.
Okay, thank you. Good night.
Okay, good night.